You're chosen and you're beloved. But how you live into that identity is your choice. And so the invitation is to put on love, which will manifest in all those other things. The forgiveness, the humility, the kindness, the gentleness. It'll manifest out of that. Go love each other. Figure out this marriage thing. Figure it out together. Go live into who He created you to be. Lay down your lives for one another. Serve each other. Lift each other up, build each other up, encourage one another, forgive one another as the Lord has forgiven you. My greatest prayer for you is that you would be grounded in whose you are. Whose you are, as Christ's beloved. That your identity would be so deeply rooted in that truth, in that reality. He knows you. And He still chooses you over and over and over again, and He loves you. Friends, as you embark on this journey, as you embark on this marriage, this new season, above all, put on love, which binds everything together in perfect harmony.